Yo guys, just got this thing in the mail. I'm not sure what it is. Just kidding. It's an electric grease gun by TaskStar. From TaskStar. It's really hard to say TaskStar. Do I have a tongue tie? I might have a little tongue tie. Anyways, this is my old reliable pistol grip grease gun. I've been using it for years. It's fine when we're just doing one tie rod like this. Squeeze the trigger. But when you're doing 6, 8, 12, 20 grease fittings at a time, it's really nice to have the electric grease gun now. Pop it on your grease fitting. Hold the trigger. Watch the magic happen. A little bit more. There we go. It's got a nice bite to it. It's a good bite. One thing I learned while loading this is you definitely want to pull this back first and then unscrew it from this side. Never unscrew this cap. I had to pack it full of grease. I use grease cartridges like this. That extra room that this takes up just doesn't work with this gun very well because it has a rubber seal that's really tight here, so no grease comes out the back. That's one issue I've always had with this one is grease comes out the back side. The seal on this is incredibly tight so that you lose no grease. It all goes forward. First time using it, packed a little grease up into this pump and hit the trigger. Exhaust valve to let out air. After you use it the first time, it'll all be primed. Here's the carrying case and the kit it came with. A little bit of Teflon tape. You get a charger, 2 batteries, another hose if you want a longer or shorter one. I got the long one on. A metal extender. And you get this big grease suction plate too. TaskStar. See, I still can't say it. TaskStar electric grease gun. There you go. There's a honest Carl's Garage review. I got to get back to work. See ya.